Precipitation is a key aspect of life in some regions and can be a defining factor in many areas of the world. Climate change is pushing precipitation changes to the extremes. Studies have shown that current places with high rates of precipitation will have more severe precipitation in the future, and that places more susceptible to drought will experience more severe drought in the future. These changes will have a major impact on places with extreme drought like Southern California. Climate change poses a huge threat to Southern California, where temperatures have already risen 3 degrees Fahrenheit over the last century. California has already experienced increases in drought and wildfires, with the water cycle and precipitation becoming extremely sparse in drought prone areas. The threat of more severe wildfires is very real. Many communities are already at risk of losing their water supply to drought, and this number is only increasing. California's extreme drought has also caused many communities to be destroyed by widespread wildfires, and this number will only rise in the future if nothing is done. California has already taken action to slow climate change and prevent drought in many areas. In Kern County, the water agency has dedicated $5 to $10 million to reverse the flow of their aqueducts so that the northern districts can receive a sufficient amount of water in emergency situations. In Sacramento, the government launched a campaign to reduce the amount of water used for watering yards because it accumulates for 60% of residential water use. California has also started a plan to pay people to replace their front lawns with drought-resistant native plants. These changes in water use and implementations of new infrastructure will help Southern California to combat future worsening drought. Climate change will cause more severe droughts in the future, but people and governments are taking a step in the right direction already.